Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying simple but crucial causes. Power cycle the machine and test the space key before doing anything invasive. Once done, inspect the key area for visible debris and blow short bursts of compressed air at an angle to dislodge particles. Make sure to try the space key in BIOS or on the login screen so the OS won't interfere, and plug in an external USB keyboard to confirm whether the issue is physical or software-related. Once you know it's likely physical or drive-related, remove the keycap carefully using a plastic pry tool and clean beneath with a dry cotton swab or 90% plus isopropyl if sticky residue exists. Make sure the scissor mechanism or rubber dome is aligned and not torn, receded if loose. After reassembly, update or reinstall the keyboard driver and verify accessibility options such as sticky keys or key remapping aren't intercepted. For a persistent fault, power down and open the device to reseat the keyboard ribbon cable. A loose connector often causes single key failures. If the switch or dome is damaged, replace the keycap assembly or the entire keyboard module. Desktop users can swap a switch or replace the keycap. As a last step, use an external or on-screen keyboard while arranging repair. If problems continue after these checks, contact a professional. Document tests you ran to speed diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.